Here I am at Playland car show. I think it's October 2nd or 3rd. I'm not even sure. Anyway, we'll take a quick walk around. There are cars everywhere, so we're going fast. I've been here for a while now, and I got to get something to eat. Look at this 55 Chevy Bel Air for sale. Look at it. Look at this. This is beautiful, this car. Look at that. Convertible.
October 23rd, the rain date is the 30th. Now before we start that car, if I can, I'd like to make another one. The hot rod on the Hudson. Now this one, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, this is for sale too, huh?
It's ShopRite Plaza in Carmel, New York.
Yeah, it's a 39 Ford for sale.
October 30th. Okay, October 30th. This one's for the Children's Hospital. Okay, you got DJ trophies, giveaways, you got all kinds of registries at 8 o'clock. All right, the show's from 12 to 3:30, so you don't want to miss this Sunday, October 23rd. And we have
and there's my Lincoln. And like this SS with the firefighter's helmet. Ford Mustang. Oh, this is beautiful. 396 big block Chevelle. Look at this.
Empire City Casino, Yonkers Raceway. That's next Sunday. All right, next Sunday that show starts at noontime. I know 9 judging starts at noon, okay? So Empire City Casino, Yonkers Raceway, Rocky Rock's Car Show.
What do you got here? Volvo.
Gift bags, all kinds of things going on there.
Volvo.
Empire City Casino. All right, so we're going to start this car. Are we ready over there? Gentlemen, we ready? Walter, I get the thumbs up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, focus your attention over here. We're going to start off a 1933 Willie Outlaw. 2,000 horsepower. Check it out.
2,000 horsepower. Yeah, as you walk over there. Look at this. Two-door Chevy Impala convertible. Beautiful. Look at this. Chrysler Hornet. What is this? Not a Hornet. Nassau? A Chrysler Nassau? Nice. Corvair. Another Ford. Camaro over here. Look at these cars, huh? Look at this. Look at this motor, huh? Fuelie motor, too. An old Ford. Oh, look at this car. Look at the doors on this car. Made the back a suicide door. Look at this car. Get a load of these doors. Incredible. That's incredible, that door kit. Look at this car.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Oh, my God. Oh, fine.
Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for Walter House of 1933 Willie. Let's hear it. 1960 famous great car right here.
You're so lucky. So go ahead. Tell me what happened. Go ahead.